the time we spend free, or for the funny memories, for the joy, laughter, and tears we have shared for all these years. Thank you all for giving me, for telling me what's right or wrong, for showing me where I belong. You are there to make me strong when I'm feeling all alone. As I hear you sing along with my soul. Thank you for the happiness and loneliness that only you can bring. Thank you for the words you said that make me glad and make me realize that you are true and a friend. I will always be there until the end, when we make the memories happen once again. Happy birthday to you.
Good morning to all of us again. We would like to say something about Father Nepio being with us. Father Nepio is so very friendly, lovable,
Very kind.
and
Very kind.
very kind person. As you can see here, we have 3 pictures of him. The first one, when
Take the
he take the first communion, when he is still a little guy. Then the second one,
when he's in the seminary.
as you can see,
He's in the
very handsome person. When he in seminarians,
seminary.
that's his Father Nepio when during his in seminaries. Father, God gave a gift to the world when you were born. The third but not the least, his journey being a priest. You know, Father, you brought a blessings in your very special way. In behalf of Sister Emma and the parishioner, we would like to say a happy birthday to you. We love you and God bless.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Nakamusta ka na, Kwan? We love you.
We love you, Father Nepio. Happy birthday.
Ito yun.